Good morning, students. Let's continue the rate measures. Take down the next question. The length x of a, the length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute, and the width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute when x is equal to 8 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter. Find the rates of change of first one, the perimeter. Second one, the area of the rectangle. This is the given question, and put the star for the question. This is in 3 marks. Idinna 3 marks keltare. So what has been given? So we are discussing about the rectangle, isn't it? We have to discuss about the rectangle. They had given the rate of change of the decreasing in the length. Rate of change of the decreasing in the length at the rate of 5 centimeter. Andre dx by dt has been given. Dx by dt is equal to decreasing. Here they had given the condition that it is decreasing. Decreasing means we have to take the negative. Minus 5 centimeter per minute. Enik minus tagondvi because they had given it is decreasing. And the width nenanta tagondidra y anta tagondidivi. So dy by dt is equal to, width is increasing andre positive, 4 centimeter per minute. 4 centimeter per minute. So rectangle width is 8 and the length is y is equal to 6 and x is equal to 8. So next we have to find the perimeter and the rectangle, isn't it? So perimeter of the rectangle. What is the perimeter of the rectangle. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? 2 into x plus y. So perimeter P is equal to 2 into x plus y. You differentiate it. Differentiate with respect to t. It becomes dp by dt is equal to 2 into dx by dt plus dy by dt, which is equal to, so dp by dt equals 2 into, what is dx by dt? Minus 5. What is dy by dt? 4, which is equal to 2 into minus 1, which is equal to minus 2 centimeter per minute. It means that the perimeter is decreasing. Negative bandre, it shows that it is decreasing. So what will you write? Hence perimeter of a rectangle, perimeter of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. 2 centimeter per minute. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ? The decreasing word identifies that it is negative. So negative ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? It is decreasing ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Next we want area. Area of rectangle equals x into y. So area, let us give it as A is equal to xy. Differentiate it with respect to t. So dA by dt is equal to x into dy by dt plus y into dx by dt, which is equal to, what is x? What is the x value? X is minus 5. What is dy by dt? 4. Plus, what is the y value? The given y. Y is 6. Sorry. Here the given x is 8, isn't it? I'm sorry. X is 8 and dy by dt is 4 plus, and y is 6. Dx by dt is minus 5, which is equal to 32 minus 6 5s are 30, which is equal to 2. Area should be always represented by centimeter square per minute. So therefore, area of the rectangle, is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter square per minute. Unit plays an important role here and it is an important question. So make the star. Idanna star anta mark ಮಾಡಿ. Is it clear? Next, write on the next problem. Put the star. So, this question most repeated question. This is also most repeated question. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per minute. 3 centimeter per minute, and width y is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute when x is equal to 10 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter. Find the rates of change of, first one, perimeter, second one, area of the rectangle. So what has been given? The length is decreasing. So dx by dt, the length is decreasing at the rate. Decreasing means 3 centimeter per minute. And the width is increasing. dy by dt is equal to 2 centimeter per minute. And x is given, x is equal to 10 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter. So consider the rectangle. X is equal to 10 centimeter, y is equal to 6 centimeter. The perimeter of rectangle equals x into y. So P equals xy. So differentiate it with respect to t. Perimeter is given by 2 into x plus y. Perimeter is given by 2 into x plus y, which is equal to 2 into dx by dt plus dy by dt, which is equal to 2 into, what is dx by dt? Minus 3. dx by dt is minus 3. What is dy by dt? Plus 2, which is equal to minus 2 is the answer. Minus 2. So what will you give the conclusion? dp by dt equals -2 centimeter per minute. Centimeter per minute. Centimeter per minute. Therefore perimeter of rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. 2 centimeter per minute. Next we have to calculate the area. How to calculate the area? Area of the rectangle. What is the area of the rectangle? Area of the rectangle is given by what? Area of the rectangle is given by area of rectangle equals xy. So a is equal to x into y. Differentiate it with respect to t. dA by dt is equal to x into dy by dt plus y into, I am using the product rule, dx by dt, which is equal to, what is the x value? The x value is 10. dy by dt is 2 and the y value is 6. dy by dt is -3, which is equal to 20 minus 18, which is equal to 2 centimeter square per minute. 2 centimeter square per minute. Give the statement. So area of rectangle is increasing at the rate of, area of rectangle is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter square per minute. 2 centimeter square per minute. Is it clear? Next we got the area as well as the perimeter. Next, so this is the important question. So put the star for this and the previous problem, children. Both are one and the same, just we are changing the number, isn't it? Next one, write down the next question. This is also an important question. Put the star. This is also very, very important question. Put the star. A balloon which always remains spherical on inflection is being is being inflated by pumping in 900 cubic centimeter of gas per second. Find the rate at which the radius of balloon increase when the radius is 15 centimeter. When the radius is 15 centimeter. So this is very, very important question. It has been repeated in the exam for many times. So put the star for the question. So it's better put the double star. Okay. So next, what has been given? ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. dv by dt has been given. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? dv by dt has been given. dv by dt volume. The volume is increasing at the rate of 900 cc per second. So cubic centimeter per second. We have to find the radius is increasing at the rate means dr by dt I have to calculate it. And the radius has been given. Radius is equal to what? 15 centimeter. Next, what is the volume of the sphere? We have to calculate the volume of the sphere. What is the volume of the sphere? Volume of spherical ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ sphere ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Volume of the sphere. So hold the formula sheet ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿ. What is the formula? V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now you differentiate it with respect to t. Differentiate it with respect to t. What is the v derivative? dv by dt. 4 by 3 pi. What is the r derivative? The r derivative is 3r square into dr by dt. 3r square into dr by dt, which is equal to 4 by 3 pi. Here we can cancel, where the 3 gets cancelled. So the left term will be 4 pi. What is the r value? R is 15 square into dr by dt. What is dv by dt? You know the dv by dt. dv by dt is 900, isn't it? dv by dt is 900. So 900 divided by 4 pi into 15 square, which is equal to dr by dt, which is equal to dr by dt. So 15 square andre eshtagutte? The 15 square is 225. 900 divided by 4 pi into 225 is equal to dr by dt. 225 into 4 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 225 into 4 will be 900. It will be 900. So I can write it as 900 divided by, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 into 15 square ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 900 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 900 pi is equal to dr by dt. 900 gets cancelled. 1 by pi equals dr by dt. So dr by dt ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ನಮಗೆ? 1 by pi, isn't it? 1 by pi. So conclude the answer that dr by dt is equal to 1 by pi centimeter per second. Centimeter per second. So rate at which the radius of the balloon is increasing. Radius of balloon is increasing at the rate of 1 by pi centimeter per second. 1 by pi centimeter per second. Next problem. Next one. Write down the next question. A balloon which is which always remains spherical has a variable radius. Find the rate at which its volume is increasing with the radius when the letter is later is 10 centimeter. Letter is 10 centimeter. ಇದು ಲೇಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಸಾರಿ, ಅದು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್. ದ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ is 10 centimeter. Radius is 10 centimeter. Here we have to find the rate at which the volume is increasing. So dV by dt is equal to d with respect to volume is increasing with the radius ಅಂದ್ರೆ dV by dr. dV by dr ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ r is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು? 10. r equals 10. Now the balloon which is always remains spherical means volume of the sphere. Volume of sphere equals 4 by 3 pi r cube. So V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Just I will continue here. Just ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. 4 by 3 V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Differentiate it with respect to r. r ಏನಕ್ಕೆ? Because the given question it is the volume is increasing with the radius ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So increasing with the radius means we had to differentiate with respect to the radius. So dV by dr equals 4 by 3 pi. What is r cube derivative? 3r square. ಇಲ್ಲಿ dr by ಬರಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ r derivative with respect to r ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ it will be 1. 3 gets cancel, which is equal to 4 pi. What is the r value? r value is 10 square, which is equal to 400 pi. So the volume is always given by what? Centimeter cube, isn't it? Centimeter cube. ಇಲ್ಲಿ with respect to time ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ with centimeter cube per second. So therefore volume of sphere is increasing at the rate of 400 pi centimeter cube per centimeter. 400 pi centimeter cube per centimeter. Is it clear? I hope you have understood it. Next question. Let us do the next problem, that is, write down the question. Write down the question, and it is also a very important problem. Most repeated question. ತುಂಬಾ ಸಲ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್. Is it clear? A ladder 5 meter long. A ladder 5 meter long. A ladder 5 meter long is leaning against a wall. Leaning against a wall. The bottom of the ladder the bottom of the ladder is pulled. Bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground. Bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall. Away from the wall at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. How fast is its height? How fast is its height on the wall decreasing when foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall. 4 meter away from the wall. Is it clear? So what has been given here? Assume that this is the wall. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್. ವಾಲ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಡರ್ನ ನಿಲ್ಸಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಲ್ಯಾಡರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಏಣಿ. ಒಂದು ಏಣಿ ನಿಲ್ಸಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಲ್ಯಾಡರ್ ಲೆಂತು? 5 ಮೀಟರ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. 5 ಮೀಟರ್ ಲಾಂಗ್. ಸೊ ವಾಲ್ನ ವೈ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಬಂತು. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿನಗೆ? dx/dt ಅಂದರೆ ನೀನು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಎಳಿತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಏಣಿನ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಡರ್ 2 centimeter per second. And the foot of the ladder is nothing but x. X is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 4 centimeter. X is equal to 4 centimeter. So diagram plays a very important role here. Is it clear? So it is an 4 centimeter. We don't know this. We know the length of the ladder is 5. You know how to find the other side if the two sides has been given using the Pythagoras theorem, isn't it? What is a Pythagoras? X square. Consider x square plus y square is equal to what? 5 square. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ y square find out ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡೋಣ. y square is equal to 5 square minus x square. So y is equal to root of 25 minus 4 square. Y is equal to root of 25 minus 16. Y is equal to root 9. So y is equal to how much we got? 3. We got it as 3. Next, consider the Pythagoras equation. X square plus y square is equal to 5 square. X square plus y square is equal to what? 5 square. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಟಿ. ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಟಿ? ಅವ್ರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಡರ್ ಅಟ್ 2 ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಟೈಮ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಇಟ್ becomes 2x into dx by dt plus 2y into dy by dt. So 5 square derivative is what? 0. 2y into dy by dt is equal to minus of 2x into dx by dt. 2 gets cancelled. Now you substitute the value. What is y value? ಇವಗಷ್ಟೇ find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. y value is 3. We don't know the dy by dt. Keep it as it is. We know the x value. So dx by dt is dx by dt is the rate at which is 2 centimeter. That is 2. X value. What is the x value? X value is 4. And dx by dt is 2. So dy by dt is equal to minus 8 by 3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. minus 8 by 3. That is centimeter per second. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ? ಲ್ಯಾಡರ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲ್ಯಾಡರ್ ಡೌನಿಗೆ ಎಳಿತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಮೇಲ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು? 2 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಡೌನ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? minus 8 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೌ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಹೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವಾಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್? ದ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಾಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ write down the statement that the rate of fall of height on wall equals 8 minus 8 by 3 centimeter per second. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ it is decreasing. The rate at which the ladder is decreasing ಅಂತನಾದ್ರೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Is it clear? And this is an very 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 important question. So let us do some more problems in the next video. Thank you.